guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different since I'm slowly trying to transition to the non-toxic world, and I've been discovering some new brands, clean brands, clean makeup, clean skincare, and I have a few stuff that I want to show you. I'm gonna show you how to create this look. This is a very simple look. Since again, I'm going very slowly transitioning, I feel like I have the basic stuff, but I'm still missing some products, some basic products like eyelash primer or like lipstick, but I'm getting there. And most of the products that I use today, I will say 90% of the products I use today are non-toxic, cruelty-free, completely clean, all natural stuff. So if you want to know how I created this look using non-toxic products, then keep on watching. First, I'm gonna prime my face using the Juice Beauty Phyto-Pigments Illuminating Primer. This is a very liquidy primer. And it kind of feels, when it dries, it kind of feels like it tightens your skin. Well, at least that's how I feel. Like it feels kind of like drying in my skin. But maybe that's the whole purpose of it. I'm not sure. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the Juice Beauty Phyto-Pigments Flawless Serum Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium Tan. This is how it looks like. It's glass. You really have to shake it because since it's organic, I'm just learning about these things, but I've heard that organic and natural ingredients tend to separate. So it's always good to shake before using. And then it has a pump. It's kind of runny. This is probably a medium coverage foundation, which is really good. I like it. It looks still very natural. And I'm gonna apply it with my BH Cosmetics 135. Just a flat brush. It looks very natural, but it still covers, I will say like a light to medium coverage. I'm not a fan of too heavy foundations anyways. So I feel like this is perfect for me. And this, I will say, it dries in it's not a dewy finish, but it's not matte either. Like it doesn't look super matte. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just very natural. You can build this up. Like right now I put 2 layers here and it does look a little bit more full coverage. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender just to blend in this part. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use the Well People BioCorrect Multi-Action Concealer in the shade Medium. And this concealer, I find that a little bit goes a very long way. Like you don't need a lot, and it covers, like it goes a long way. It's not like a full coverage, but it does cover enough. That's what I use. And I think it will probably be too much now that but I like to blend this one with my finger, and then go with a brush and blend it with the foundation. So now for my I'm gonna do cream first, cream products, and then I'm gonna set it with some powder products. So I'm gonna use the Bio Bronzer Stick by Well People. This is, I think this is the only one they have, shade Natural Tan, but it's really good. I'm just gonna put it here. Super pigmented. In my nose. And then I'm gonna put a little bit in my eyes. And then I'm gonna blend it with a BH Cosmetics 26. It looks very natural. If you guys feel like you need more, like you need it darker, then you can always go back and put more. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer in my inner corner because I want it to be brighter. Now for my cheeks, I'm gonna use the Kosas Color and Light Cream Palette. It's in color Helios. This is a limited edition palette. You see how pretty it is? I'm sad that it's a limited edition because these are exactly the colors I want in my cheeks. I'm gonna apply it with BH Cosmetics 136. This is just like an angled brush, and I just tap, since it's cream, I just tap a little bit. You see the color? So pretty. Now I'm gonna apply the highlighter with a Morphe G40. This is a very creamy, you see, like it's very liquidy, so that's why I don't like to use my fingers, because then I feel like I grab too much product. Like it kind of looks very liquidy. That's why these products I do have to set them with powder, because they're very creamy. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Glow Mineral Precise Micro Brow Liner. Very long names. This is the color Raven. It's just like a dark brown, grayish brown. I don't know. Also non-toxic. Probably the only things I don't have non-toxic yet, I don't have eyeshadows, and I don't have waterproof mascara that I can use on my lower lash. If you guys can recommend me some products, I do need recommendations. If you guys know of a non-toxic primer, like for the eyelashes, That's what I need. So now for powders, I'm gonna set my under eye, just this, because do you see it's still very shiny, my concealer? So I do set it, but again, I try to set it like not too close to the eyelashes. I'm gonna use the Well People Bio Base Baked Brightener. Is Universal Glow, the color. And I'm gonna use BH Cosmetics number 4. So for the bronzer, I'm gonna use also Well People Bio Base Baked Bronzer in Natural Tan. I think this is the only color they have also. So I'm gonna use the Morphe M509. This is not a very pigmented bronzer, but it does the job. So now I'm gonna use the Well People Nudist Multi-Use Powder Duo. This is the blush. It comes with a mirror and is blush and highlighter. The highlighter is not very pigmented. The blush is pretty, but the highlighter is not too shiny. So, and I'm used to have it like super shiny. This one is not. Oh, I use this brush. I bought it on Amazon, but it's just a fluffy brush. And then for my highlighter, I'm using a Morphe M510. You can use the blush or the bronzer as in your eyes. So I'm gonna use the bronzer, and I'm just gonna do a very simple eye look, just because I'm not doing anything fancy. And then I'm gonna use the Well People highlighter just to brighten a little bit. So now for the eyelashes, I'm gonna use the Well People Mascara. I don't think it has a name. A nice wand, see? Again, I don't have eyelash primer, a base, and I really need one because I feel like my eyelashes get or look longer when I use a primer. So I'm using also the Pacifica Natural Beauty. This one is very interesting because I don't know if you can see that it has a twist. So it has the length and volume. So you twist it, and then I'll have one wand. I'll have this wand. So now I'm gonna twist this to have volume. And now I have a different wand. Like it's a shorter wand. I don't know, it's so weird. But it's good, like it works. For the bottom lashes, I'm gonna use the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. This is good for my lower lash. The one is so small that it actually is really good for lower lashes. Again, I need to find and this is not waterproof, but they say is smudge proof, something like that. For my lips, I'm gonna use that Tarteist lip paint. Again, Tarte has really good ingredients. It still has some toxic stuff, but it's less toxic than a bunch of other ones. Since I don't have yet lipsticks, I'm just gonna use the less harmful one. One I used was Choker, and then I'm gonna apply the pillow top in the center of my lips. So to set my face, I'm gonna use the Pharmacy Skin Do Hydrating Essence Mist and Setting Spray. So this is it, guys. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave any comments down below. Please help me on my journey to the non-toxic world. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.